Hey guys, so today we are talking laundry detergent. I think I have solved the mystery of what is going on with my eye skin. When I took my shower this morning, the skin that was dead on there peeled off, not to gross you out, but the skin peeled off, and I've had this happen before in the past. And first, it like dies and then it peels off and then new skin will grow in, and the new skin that grows in usually is fine and then things go back to normal, but I don't know how long it's going to take to grow that skin back. But oh, so gross. So anyways, I could not put anything, concealer, foundation, nothing over that because it's all like raw, so sorry about that. But yeah, I think I have solved the mystery of what is going on, and I think it is laundry detergent. So here's the scoop on this. I used to love this Tide Ultra Stain Release. This is awesome. It gets your clothes super clean. If you get a stain on your clothes, you just put a little bit on the stain and then toss it in your laundry, your washing machine, and it always would come out. I love the smell of this. It didn't bother my skin, nothing. But the people over at Procter and Gamble, I think this is right. Yeah, the people over at Procter and Gamble, in their infinite wisdom, insert sarcasm here. Um, I just want you to know I'm not being serious when I say in their infinite wisdom. They discontinued this, and it is the best laundry detergent they've ever made. So they don't make this anymore. You can't get this. I was hanging on to this container to use when I got stains on my clothes because my husband will sometimes get food on his shirt or whatever. So I was hanging on to this so that I would have it for those situations. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to using this until it's gone because what I did was, once I realized that I couldn't get it anymore, I said, all right, well, why don't I just switch to one of Tide's other formulas because they have tons of them. So I bought this. This is the one that says 100 on it. Works on 100% of common stains. The first time I used this, I said to my husband, oh my God, this smells horrible. The whole house smelled like this after doing laundry with it. I used it once. I didn't want to use it anymore. So then I went out and bought this, Ultra Oxy. Now, according to Tide, this is the replacement for this. And so it just says, yeah, Ultra Oxy. So Tide Plus. Yeah, because see how this says Tide Plus? It has that plus symbol. Well, this does too. So yeah, this was supposed to be the replacement formula for the Ultra Stain Release. So I've been using this, and while it doesn't smell horrible like the Tide 100 does, it was getting the clothes clean. And I did have to pre-treat something one time and the stain came out. So I was like, okay, so this is the replacement. But this is, it's like a light bulb going off in my head now. Like, this is the time when I started using this is when I started having all kinds of skin issues. And I have had other things going on with my skin too, where I would get a rash on my neck, and I didn't have that before. And while I do have some ways of lessening this, it would just come back again. And now I've got this thing with my eyes. And all this time I was thinking it was a makeup item or something I was washing my brushes with, or no, I don't think so. I think it was my laundry detergent because I do use a face cloth to wash my face. So this fortunately is almost gone, but I don't think I'm going to use this at all anymore. I think I'm going to go back to using this. Not going to use this because this smells like crap. This is going to be like for if we ever get an apocalypse or something and there's nothing else in the house and I can't go to the store. it, I hope we don't have any more lockdowns or anything like that. But you never know. They're talking about monkeypox now. But anyways, so yeah, this I think is the culprit. I think it's the Tide Ultra Oxy. So here's where you come in. For anybody out there that has sensitive skin or reactions to laundry detergents, do you have something that you really like? Now, I've tried all those natural ones like Seventh Generation and uh, the free and clear versions of laundry detergents, and they don't do a good job on your laundry as far as stains go. And I don't know. Does anybody have any recommendations that work that, actually get your clothes clean? Because my husband, he'll go out and do projects outside and stuff, and he gets stuff on his clothes and doesn't even realize it, or he'll, like I said, he'll spill food on his clothes or something. So I need something that's gonna work well. I don't know. I just am at my wit's end because I can't deal with this. I cannot deal with this. So I cannot use this anymore. Um, yeah, I'm going to go back to the Tide Ultra Stain Release. There's still quite a bit left in this bottle, so I know that will be safe to use for a while, but I'm going to have to find a replacement. We used to use Gain many years ago, and my husband was getting a really bad skin reaction to that, so I had to stop using that, and that's when I switched over to Tide, and I haven't had any problems with Tide until recently. So yeah, I need to find something that I can use. Um, I'm wondering if there's a way even that I could make my own, because I do make my own um, of certain other things, which I'm going to do a video about that too. I make my own household cleaner that I use to clean surfaces, countertops. I buy those vinyl tablecloths to keep on my dining room table, the kind that you can like wipe with a sponge or a paper towel and cleaner. Because if I put regular tablecloths on my table, they would constantly having to be put in the laundry because of who spilling stuff, spilling their food, whatever. Um, so I buy those vinyl tablecloths that I can clean with a paper towel and household cleaner. So I make my own household cleaner. I use it to clean the dining room table. I use it to clean surfaces in the kitchen. Um, I use it for many, many different things, and I'm going to do a video telling you how I do that. It's so easy to make, and it does a great job, and the ingredients that you need to buy are very inexpensive. So I'm going to be doing a video about that, DIY your own household cleaner. Um, but yeah, laundry detergent, I don't know. I need something that works good, something that is not going to be hard to buy at stores. I don't want anything that is going to be like mail order or that you have to have shipped to your house. But yeah, I'm wondering if I could figure out a way to make my own. That would be cool. But I don't want anything that's going to mess up my washing machine either because, yeah, I've heard that some laundry detergents actually can ruin your washing machine, and I don't want to have to go out and buy a new washing machine. My washing machine is not new, but I also don't want to replace it anytime soon. So if you have any suggestions, if you have sensitive skin, I could really use a recommendation. By the way, while I've got you before I let you go, just wanted to tell you about something fun that I did last night. I had these two polishes. This is like a matte purple, and this is a shimmery green that are from This is Wet n Wild Scooby-Doo collection polishes. I don't think they're available anymore, but for whatever reason, I used a base coat. This is the Nails Inc. Glow base coat. I used that. And then I put the matte purple on, and then I put the shimmery green on top of that. And then I put the Nails Inc. top coat on top of that. And here's what you end up with. You end up with the purple, like the edges of the purple as a border, and then the green on top of that. Yeah, I thought it was cool. So yeah, try messing around with all your fingernail polishes, like layering them over each other. Thought that was kind of a fun thing to do, and I don't know what made me think to even try it, but I like the way it looks with the purple sticking out on the edges. So anyways, you guys, I'll let you go. Any recommendations you have would be great. Put them down in the comment section. That thumbs up for asking for help. I don't know. Bye.